Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. Suppose that producer's total cost function is as follows. TC means total cost equals to 300 plus 3Q plus 0.02Q squared. Q is the level of output. Obtain TFC total fixed cost, AFC average fixed cost, TVC total variable cost, AC average cost, and MC cost function, MC functions. MC is marginal cost. Calculate MC marginal cost for first 2 units. Now solution. What is TFC? TFC is total fixed cost which is independent of the level of output. Independent of the level of output. Level of output. That is, when Q equals to 0, Q is output. When Q equals to 0, TC equals to TFC, total fixed cost. When Q equals to 0, TC equals to 300. 3 into 0 is 0 and 0.02 into 0 square is also 0. Therefore, TFC total fixed cost is 300 units. Now we do average fixed cost. AFC average fixed cost. What is average fixed cost? Total fixed cost by output. This is 300 divided by Q. Therefore, AFC equals to 300 divided by Q. Q is the output, 300 is the fixed cost. Now TVC total variable cost. TVC is what? Total variable cost. Variable cost which depends or which varies with the level of output. Which varies with the level of output. Therefore, TVC is this part, 3Q, which varies with the level of output, plus 0.02Q squared. 3Q plus 0.02Q squared. This is our TVC. Now AVC, average variable cost. Average variable cost, which is TVC by output. Output is Q, where Q is not equals to 0. Q not equals to 0. Therefore, AVC equals to 3Q plus 0.02Q squared by Q. AVC equals to, hence AVC equals to 3Q by Q equals to 3 plus 0.02Q, because Q squared by Q becomes Q, where Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. This is AVC. Now we calculate AC, average cost. Average cost is what? Total cost divided by output produced, where output is denoted by Q and Q is not equals to 0. AC is what? Average cost, which is equals to TC by output produced. Output, this is where output Q is not equals to 0. Therefore AC is 300 plus 3Q plus 0.02 Q squared by Q, where Q is not equals to 0. This is 300 by Q plus 3 plus 0.02 Q. Look, AC equals to AFC plus AVC. AFC is what? 300 by Q, and AVC is what? 3 plus 0.02 Q. Now we calculate the marginal cost. This part is not asked, I am just showing what is AC. AC is the summation of AFC plus AFC and AVC. Now marginal cost, MC. Marginal cost. What is marginal cost? DTC by DQ. That is the first order derivative of the total cost with respect to output. Marginal cost is the change in total cost due to 1 unit change in output. It is the change in total cost, due to 1 unit change in output. Now MC equals to D of dq by 300 plus 3q plus 0.02 q squared. We differentiate this thing, this becomes 0, 300 is constant term, differentiating a constant term is 0. Now we differentiate 3q with respect to q, therefore 3 comes here and dq by q, differentiating q with respect to q is 1, then 0.02. Now we differentiate q squared with respect to q, 2 comes here and q to the power 2 minus 1. Therefore this is, basically this is 3 into 1, 3 plus 0.04 q MC. MC is this. What is MC then? MC equals to 3 plus 0.04 q. Now we have to calculate MC for first 2 units. MC for q equals to 1, MC equals to 3 plus 0.04 into 1, this is 3.04. MC for q equals to 2, MC equals to 3 plus 0.04 into 2, this is 3 plus 0.08 equals to 3 plus 0.08. This is the MC for the first unit, this is MC for the second unit. I hope everybody understood this sum. Thank you. That's it for this video.